What's going on, YouTube? It's Sean.
And it's Sam.
And we just got to Miami. We're at the airport right now, about to take our Uber to go to Port of Miami.
And I'm so excited to go on this cruise, guys.
Yep, Embarkation Day, Virgin Voyages.
A well-needed rest and break.
Exactly.
All right, so see you there.
See you at the port. So this is kind of how long the line is if you have certain times. You got it's organized, it's just that there's different time slots and we have a later boarding time, things to miss, want to do her check-in late.
I didn't know.
So now we have a later boarding time. So hopefully everything still works out fine. I'm pretty sure it will.
Check in late, then that means you gotta board.
Yes, you get the later boarding time.
Oh.
But it's all right. So we gotta go to the end, 3:45 time, and then we'll check in and get in. So this is what the boarding looks like. What to expect when you come to a Virgin Voyages and you have a later boarding time.
Oh, and if you guys feel like you need to adjust it, or you guys feel like you need to tighten it, shorten it,
I'm gonna ask.
yes, ask anybody on the ship because they know what they're doing.
Make a splash, movie.
Right, my guy? Yes. And somebody's filling on in. Bam.
So now we're finally in the red. We're in the red with the red. About to be on the Resilient Lady. Finally. Yup. Look, look.
Hello, YouTube.
So what are you getting for dinner?
I'm planning to get the bistec marinero and escabeche.
The bistec,
Excuse my
marinero, and
Spanish. Which is
espagueti.
basically the ribeye steak with Oaxaca cheese and chile ancho. Sean, what are you getting?
I'm getting the pescado, which is the grilled striped bass, the mole verde and salsa de, I don't know how I pronounce that, so I ain't gonna try it. But yeah, I'm getting that and maybe something else.
We'll be sure to include a picture of the menu up
You said
above.
what?
I said we'll be sure to insert a picture of the menu right here.
Okay. So how was it?
Not my favorite. I'm not really a fan of the spice level. But then again, I feel like I can't handle spice that much. But yeah, this is spicy, right, Sean?
Yeah, it's spicy. Me, one scoop was enough. I'm good. Spice level out of 10, like an 8 for me.
It's not that bad, yeah.
I can handle spice. It's just that it's more spice, less, what is it, peanuts?
Yeah.
But it's doable, just spicy. How is it?
This is the best I think out of everything.
The guacamole?
Alright. Let me try this again. No, this is too limey.
Alright, we're gonna swap out.
Alright.
We'll probably swap it. Alright, let's try the enchiladas de pollo. Chicken enchiladas, if you didn't know what that meant.
What's your thoughts?
Very limey, like you said. Let me try the avocado and see what the avocado tastes like, or the guacamole.
I think the guacamole is the best thing right now.
I like guacamole, yeah. Alright, let me try the corn. So this will look like. It's like street corn, just in a bowl. It's good. Street corn tastes better than the, what's it called? Empanadas. And we got shrimp. I had a few already, but potatoes are good, shrimp is good.
I think that's an enchilada, Sean.
Yeah, chicken enchilada.
Yeah, enchilada.
It's good. It's just corn better, for sure.
Yeah, everything right now just tastes like they squeezed a bunch of lime on it, in my opinion.
I like the Oaxaca cheese in the corn. All right, so we got the beef steak. How is it? What would you rate on a scale of 1 to 10?
An 8 or a 9.
Okay, that's pretty good.
So we'll say 8.5.
Okay,
It was good. I'm just a harsh critic.
so let's see about mine. Let's see. This fish with the spinach, which I haven't had, spinach fish, and this up top. I don't know what this is, but that's good. Give it a 10.
Oh, Sean says it's a 10.
Want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. How you like it?
Alright, let's see how this is tasting. Is it a 10 out of 10 or is it a 4? That's pretty good. That's not bad. Let me just taste this part. I gotta give my full review. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of this.
All she wants to do is eat my food.
I would say it has a little bit more of a one-up on my steak, but the steak is good. I would say it's pretty equal.
Okay,
I'm gonna
okay.
say 9 out of 10 for both.
Okay. We just left Pink Agave. How you like it?
I would say like 7. It was a
7?
6, but it went up to 7 because the entree wasn't that bad.
Okay,
The
okay.
appetizers didn't sell right.
Well, we gotta stop
Pretty
right here. We gotta
subpar.
go back to Sailor Services, so we should come back here. But yeah, Pink Agave, I give it a 8 out of 10. I would do it again. Another night. So we just woke up. We took a little mini nap between going to the show, the Persephone show, and we're supposed to go to the nightclub where there's a PJ party going on right now until 2. But that nap lasted longer than usual. If you know about Embarkation Day naps, they last long. So he fell asleep, and now we're about to go to the pizza place. Looks like there's a couple people already in here with their PJs on. So let's get a look at that. Ready for pizza?
Yes, I am. I'm hungry. And tired.
Tell them how he went to sleep.
I knocked out. I don't know if it's because of the waves and
Embarkation
the
Day.
swing of the boat or whatever. But actually, I don't feel the swing. I don't know. I'm just tired.
Yep.
A long day.
So we brought the pizza back to the room. Sam's already eating her pizza, right?
Yeah, this is good.
And that's all we have for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime we post new content. And if you do need any assistance with booking your first or next cruise, go ahead and hit that link in the description box or in our bio so we can get you there and set up with your next cruise. And as always, safe travels.